Hello students, in this video you will find atomic number as the basis for modern periodic law. H.G.J. Moseley, Henry Gwynne, Jeffrey Moseley in 1913. Henry Gwynne Jeffrey Moseley in 1913 bombarded different metal anodes, that is different elements, with cathode rays in the discharge tube. Cathode rays are actually the stream of high speed electrons, stream of high speed electrons. When he bombarded the metal anodes in the discharge tube with these high speed electrons, these cathode rays, he found that X-rays are produced, and these X-rays have different frequency or different wavelength if different metal anodes are used in the discharge tube. He plotted a graph between atomic number of these metal anodes used in the discharge tube against the square root of the frequency. Then he found that the curve obtained was a straight line. See, here this side atomic number represented by Z, and this side frequency under root frequency, or we can say frequency is represented by nu. This side atomic number, frequency. Now zero, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Let us see that one. And this side atomic number 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. He obtained there some atomic numbers. We are taking, for example, some atomic numbers. Silicon, atomic number is 14. Sulfur, atomic number is 16. And argon, atomic number is 18. Calcium, atomic number is 20. And titanium, atomic number is 22. Chromium, atomic number is 24. And iron, atomic number is 26, iron. Like that. Then on correcting these, there was a straight line. There was a straight line. Now, this straight line plot, this straight line curve in the experiment of Henry Moseley proved that there is a relation between atomic number and square root of frequency of the X-rays produced by that metal anode. That is, atomic number of that metal anode is directly proportional to the square root of frequency. And these frequency of X-rays and these X-rays emitted by metal atoms, anode, depend on their emission, depend on the internal structure of atom of that metal. That is, number of unit positive charges, that is, atomic number present in the nucleus. Hence, this experiment led Moseley to believe that atomic number, not the atomic mass, is directly proportional to the square root of the frequency of X-rays produced by that metal. And also proved that atomic number is better fundamental property compared to atomic mass. He found that the wavelength of these X-rays emitted by different metal anodes used in the discharge tube varies in regular manner on changing the metal anode in the order of their position in the periodic table. And he gave the modern periodic law. What is modern periodic law? Physical and chemical properties of elements or the periodic function of their atomic number. That is, if elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number, then elements with similar property are repeated at regular interval, or after certain regular interval. This is about modern periodic law. By mathematical expression, we can express this. Here, now frequency is represented by nu. Square root of frequency is directly proportional to atomic number. A is proportionality constant, atomic number is Z, and B is the constant of lines for a given series of X-rays. Then this is a proportionality constant, Z is atomic number, and B is the constant. Now B is also a constant, remember, then it is depending on atomic number. This is about the modern periodic law and how the atomic number of an element is better fundamental property compared to atomic mass. That's all for today. Thank you.